guys, how's it going? Got another cool MBTA horn to look at. So this belongs to MBTA. It's an F40 1036. On 1036, I wasn't actually expecting an 80s horn, but this is an 80s, transition era horn. So when I say transition era, it has all 80s bells except for the number 2. I'll get to that in a minute. But narrow font back caps. So we're looking at like 1989 to 1990. You've seen some transition era horns before on the channel. But anyway, the 3A, the 4A, and the 5 are all 80s bells. The number 2 is like an early 90s bell. Possibly original to the horn, or it could have been like a shop swap somewhere early in its life, but I'm not sure. But this is the number 2 that's been on this horn for most of its life. I mean, it has all the signs of wear like the rest of the bells and everything, and soot, and it's dirty, so it's been on here for a while. The cones, of course, you've got your MBTA cones. This number 2 does have a little bit of a difference on its cone. Put a picture up of it. It had these, I guess, wire ties that the shop, I'm guessing, put on there because the bolts don't line up with this cone. I don't know if it's a different size cone or if they were just not drilled right. But the wires that were on that cone when I got it, they were really rough shape. Several of them were broke. They were real loose. The cone was kind of dangling, so I went ahead and pulled them off, and I put some new wires on there. Other than that, that's the only thing I've done to this horn. I've tested each bell, of course. It all works good, and it sounds really good. Now, most of these MBTA horns were ran restricted. This one did not have a restrictor in it when I got it. So it was not ran restricted. So that was interesting to see. I don't know, maybe it got pulled out at some point in its life. I don't know. But anyway, not restricted. So of course these videos are ran unrestricted, as are all the MBTA videos. Other than I think 1027's video, I think that was the one. I think I had a restricted run by in it. Just kind of showing you what the restrictor sounds like. But anyway, that's it, guys. Just a regular K5LA transition era. Y'all enjoy this. This is MBTA 1036's K5LA.